Hello everyone, this is Dimitar from the RedmineUP support team. In this video demonstration, I'm going to show you how to install the RedmineUP Favorite projects plugin on a Bitnami stock Redmine that is installed on Linux operating system. So the very first thing that you have to do is to go to our site, that is redmineup.com, and here onto the plugins section you have to search for favorites projects. Okay, and here please click on download and then enter your email address. Don't forget to click on I agree on the terms, otherwise the plugin will not be sent. Okay, so the plugin is now sent into your email address. So you have to check it now. The download link has just come and you click on download now. Okay, so we have our plugin zip file downloaded, and the next thing that you have to do is to start our Redmine. You have to go to your core Redmine folder, which in our case is 4117, and then search for the manage Linux run file. You have to double click here and then start these processes with the start all button. These are the database as well as the web server. So actually these are the parts of the Bitnami Redmine stack. Okay, so we have these processes running, and now we are going to check them on our browser. So we enter into Redmine and wait a couple of seconds because Redmine is just started now for the first time today, and it is taking some time. Okay, so our Redmine has just started and we check what is the situation here. So this is our plugins list now, and we are going to install the favorite projects plugin. So the next step that you have to do is to go back into your downloads folder and then unzip the favorite projects plugin. Then go to the inner folder and copy this one, redmine/favorite/projects. Okay, so now you go into your core Redmine folder and then enter apps and then Redmine and then htdocs. Here you search for your plugins folder and paste the plugin there. Alright, so the next thing that you have to do is to open your command line. I'm going to just zoom it so you can see it better. Okay, so you navigate to your core Redmine folder and then execute the use Redmine file. It is a very important step. It is executed with /use Redmine. Sorry, it has to be without change directory. Yeah, it is just /use Redmine. Okay, so we are now into Redmine. So the next thing is that you have to change the directory to home. Actually, your directory, is home Dimitar Redmine 4117, and then here you continue. It is up Redmine htdocs. Okay, so as being here into this place, you have to run the bundle install command. This is going to install all the required gems for the favorite projects plugin. Okay, so the next step that you have to do is to run the migration. So the important thing here is that into the name section you have to set the name of the plugin you're trying to install, which in our case is Redmine/favorite/projects. So we wait a couple of seconds as the migration is in progress of running. So it is done. Our migration is done. And the very last thing that we have to do is to just go to our Bitnami stack again and then restart the processes. There is a restart all button here. So the restarting is taking place now. Alright, so it is done. We go back into our Redmine and refresh the page just to double check and make sure that everything is fine. So it is still loading because Redmine is being restarted, and it's going to take a couple of seconds for the page to refresh because Redmine is being shut down and then started again. Okay, so it is refreshed and we see that Redmine Favorite projects is now successfully appearing in our plugins list. So it seems that we have done successfully job. We have installed the Favorite Projects plugin on a Bitnami stack Redmine that is installed on Linux operating system. So thank you very much for watching this video. I hope it was helpful for you, and see you into the next videos. Bye bye for now.